Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure Git and Vscode are installed and configured because the link depends on both. Open a terminal and run Git version, then set Git config global user. Name and user. Email if needed. Once done, open Vscode and install or verify the built-in Git extension is enabled. Make sure Vscode detects your Git path under Settings. Now that the prerequisites are active, navigate to your project folder to start initializing or cloning a repository. Next, choose whether to initialize locally or clone an existing remote. If new, run git init in your project folder. If remote, run git clone with the repo URL. Then open that folder in Vscode and switch to the source control panel. You'll see unstaged changes or the cloned branch. Create or update a. Git ignore to avoid committing unwanted files, stage files with git add or the UI, and make your first commit with git commit m. This connects your workspace to Git's history. Finally, attach a remote if you haven't. Git remote add origin and push using git push u origin main or select push from Vscode. Choose HTTPS with token or SSH. If using SSH, generate keys and add the public key to the host, then test with SSHT. Make sure Vscode's Git output panel shows authentication success. If something goes wrong, check Git status, confirm the remote URL, and view the Git output for errors. One key tip: rerun authentication or regenerate tokens when push fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.